The whole idea of the electronic will is something that technology has allowed for a long time, but state laws have mostly around the country not caught up to it. Whether a will is electronic and properly validated through an electronic process or it's a paper will, doing a will depends on the complexity of your situation, whether you're okay with a software program to do a will or you need the help of a professional. You own a business, you got a lot of assets. You're going to need a lawyer to make sure that a will is done properly. You have a complicated family situation, kids from prior marriages, you're married and each spouse has kids from a prior marriage, might have kids together. Situation like that, don't do a will any other way but with a lawyer. In other words, if you have a very simple situation in your life and you want to prepare your own will and use a software program like WillMaker or something like that, that's absolutely fine. You're good to go. Whenever you say, oops, I'm one of those check marks, you don't do your own will. That's when you spend what seems like big money but is cheap money versus the problems you could cause by trying to do your own will when your situation has too many complicating layers and then you need that lawyer for it. You don't want to cause problems for those that you wanted to help after you pass away because you thought what you did covered the situation. It didn't. And let me point out once again, if you have minor children but you don't have assets, you need a will. Because if you don't do one, the state will decide who raises your children, not your wishes.